Today we're installing the Bevins Bricks lighting kit for the Lego set 75574 Tree of Souls. This is everything that's included with the set. We have the ice blue light strip, 4 pink LEDs, a 6-port expansion board, and a AAA battery box. To me, the main focus of this set is the Tree of Souls, and I wanted this to look as much like the movie as possible. And that is why that is the only thing we're going to be installing lights on, is the actual Tree of Souls from the set. So let's get all the unnecessary portions of the set out of the way, because they are all going to be illuminated with that ice blue strip we're going to be putting on the base. But let's spin the tree around and let's get started with installing the pink LEDs first. We want to illuminate all the pink translucent pieces, and how we're going to do that is we're going to put 4 LEDs throughout the tree branches, and there's nothing special to do. All it is simply taking the LED, sliding it up and through the plant, and once you pull it over to the side, they will stay right in place. What you want to do is, because there is 4 groupings of the leaves that are on the top of the tree, so you're going to try and basically place 1 LED in each of those 4 groupings, as you can see I'm doing here. And to help distribute the light, you want to try and put the LED towards the center of each one of these groupings. In the process of doing this, just kind of gently wind some of the wire in and around each one of the leaf pieces, as this is also going to help keep those LEDs up in the leaf so they don't fall back down. Anyway, once they're all installed, we're going to take the 6-port expansion board that we have with this set, and we're going to plug each one of the 4 lights into the top 4 ports of the expansion board. After we're done with that, we're going to take the ice blue strip and install it on the base, and you want to keep it right up as close to that inner line of tiles as possible. You can actually adhesive this to the base, but all I'm simply doing, because I intend on destroying this set after I make this video, I'm just taking the light and just kind of wrap it around real quickly, and I tuck it underneath all the greenish blue vines. With that installed, now we can come to the back. And the first thing we're going to do is remove the pre-installed adhesive strip on the back of the 6-port expansion board, and we're going to attach that to the tree. And we also have to make sure, before we do that, you want to make sure you have the battery box plugged in. And the reason I say that is because once you put it there, you want to take that vine and just kind of gently push it up over the expansion board. And then now we have room to plug in that ice blue light strip at the very bottom hole. And that is pretty much it for the installation of this kit. The only thing left to do is to turn the power on and see how this thing looks. And with the lights on in my barn, I am extremely happy with the install on this, and I think you guys will be too. But the really impressive thing to see is once you have all the parts back and around the set and you turn the lights off, wow, does this thing glow. And it just, to me, it really looks just like it's out of the movie. It is such a beautiful kit, and with the addition of the LEDs, this thing just comes alive. Again, if you want to buy this kit, it is for sale on my website, www.bevinsbricks.com.